Hi everyone, I'm GoldQueen Queency and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how I achieve this best easy protective style sleek ponytail with extension and no heat. So babes, if you want to see how I achieve this easy protective style sleek ponytail with extension, keep watching. Please don't forget to like my video, comment, share, follow me on my Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat and Twitter. So babes, having said that, let's get started. Making use of a comb, I'll go ahead to comb my hair. Okay, I already washed my hair and then apply some hair oil. And for my hair conditioner, I'm going to go ahead to take this new and trendy goat milk hair conditioner. I'll get ahead to apply it to my natural hair because I have like a very thick root hair. So babes, after applying it, I'll go ahead to take a hair brush in order to brush my hair and lay it properly. For my hair gel, I'll go ahead to make use of this Gatsby hair gel. So guys, you guys know we're going for like a sleek ponytail. You need some hair gel in order to lay your hair properly, okay? In order to sleek down your hair, your natural hair, yeah? So babes, after working in the gel, I'll go ahead to take this ponytail holder and put my hair in a low bun, okay, in a low bun ponytail, in a low bun for the ponytail. So babes, I'll go ahead to take this Gatsby hair mousse. It's a hairspray in the form of a hair mousse. I'll go ahead to take it, shake it, apply it to my hand, and then go ahead to work it into my natural hair to sleek down my hair, okay? Applying it to every part of my hair, especially the front part of my baby hair. So babes, after that, I'll go ahead making use of a toothbrush in order to lay my baby hair on my edges, okay? And from the hair extension I'll be making use of these two hair extensions is from Darling Yanki. I'll go ahead to double the tracks, then place it on the low bun and go ahead to roll it around the bun, okay? Roll the extension around the bun, around my bun. So babes, as you guys can see, I took my time laying it. So when I got to the end, I have to take some of the extension and then make use of it to roll around and secure it, making use of bobby pin. So guys, I as well added the second extension, okay, because I wanted the hair to be full or have volume or so. So babes, after rolling it, I as well secured it with a little piece of hair at the end, and then with some bobby pin I secured it, pinned it down. So babes, with a hairbrush I have to go ahead to comb out the hair properly. This is a synthetic hair. Yeah, I forgot to say this is a synthetic hair. And so babes, after combing my hair, okay, I have to lay it, making use of some hair scarf in order to allow it to dry properly. So babes, that is it on this easy protective style sleek ponytail with extension. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Also check out the tutorial on how I created this spring makeup look here. It's already live now. Thank you so much guys. Please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat and Twitter. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.